हेलो बच्चों, सॉल्यूशन टॉपिक में हमारा जो सॉल्युबिलिटी रिलेटेड पार्ट था वो आधा कंप्लीट हो गया था, आधा बाकी था। तो रिमेनिंग पार्ट जो था वो कंप्लीट कर लेते आज। सो व्हाट इज दैट कंसेप्ट? सी solubility of gas in liquid. As we have seen in a last lecture, example of gas in liquid, that is the oxygen is soluble in a liquid, as well as we know that CO2 gas can be dissolved in a water. So in such a cases, if we consider oxygen in water, means solubility of oxygen in water is in a small extent. That solubility is in a small extent. But if we consider the solubility of HCl gas in water, it is in the large extent. It is in the large extent, because as we know that HCl is a already strong acid. When it is added to the water, it dissociated as a H plus and Cl minus. So in this way it has a large extent solubility of this HCl gas into the water. Second important point is that if we consider factors affecting on the solubility of gas in a liquid, so there are also two factors we are going to discuss. First factor, that is the temperature, and second factor, that is the pressure. So in that, before going towards the temperature factor, firstly I want to tell you one important concept, that is the entropy. Already it is in the another one topic, that is the thermodynamics. So if we consider the entropy is nothing but the randomness of the particles. Randomness of the particle. So in that, if we consider solid, in that solid, particles are very close to each other. This is about the solid. These particles are somehow away from each other. This is the case. This is the case in the liquid. In case of gases, they are too much away from each other, and this is the case in case of the gases. तो यहाँ पे जब कभी भी these particles are away from each other, means they are random. So that is nothing but the entropy from solid to liquid increases, liquid to gas increases, because these particles are not compact, they are free to move. So important concept I wanted to tell you, that is the entropy. Hope so I have cleared that how entropy increases. मतलब जितना हम फ्री होंगे उतनी हमारी एंट्रोपी ज़्यादा होगी, जितना हमें रिस्ट्रिक्टेड रखा जाएगा उतनी हमारी एंट्रोपी कम होगी. ठीक है, इतना तो समझ में आ गया. अभी टेम्परेचर के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. तो नाउ सी हियर, इफ वी कंसिडर टेम्परेचर, as the temperature increases, firstly in case of that temperature, as the temperature increases, then what will happen? Then solubility of gas in liquid decreases. What will happen? As the temperature increases, solubility of gas in liquid decreases. Why that will happen? See, simply this is the liquid. In that beaker we have taken already some gas is there, but if we add some amount of gas into the water, then what will happen? If we are heating it, or if we are increasing its temperature, as we are increasing the temperature, then instead of solubility of gas into the liquid, what will happen? That liquid will start to convert into the gas, and that's why as the temperature increases, solubility decreases. Hope so we have discussed it clearly. As well as this is about the temperature. If we consider the solubility, see gas, इसमें क्या होते हैं? पार्टिकल्स एक दूसरे से बहुत ज़्यादा दूर होते हैं. लिक्विड में कंसिडर करें तो थोड़ा बहुत वो एज कम्पेयर टू गैस क्लोज होते हैं. तो उसमें इसमें एंट्रोपी किसकी ज़्यादा रहेगी? एंट्रोपी ऑफ द गैसेस विल बी, एंट्रोपी इट इज डिनोटेड बाय सिंबल एस. सो एंट्रोपी विल बी ज़्यादा रहेगी, और इसकी एंट्रोपी कैसे रहेगी? तो वो कम रहेगी. बट व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दी to make that gas be soluble in a liquid, then what will happen? It is going to the restricted area, and that's why when these gases are soluble in a liquid, at that time entropy of the gases decreases. That is another one important concept. So first concept is, as the temperature increases, solubility decreases. And second one, when a gas is dissolved in a liquid, its entropy decreases, and these are the two important points in that temperature. So as we know that dissolution, solubility of the gas in a liquid, this is the exothermic process, and in that exothermic process, as the temperature increases, solubility decreases. This is about the temperature. Now what about the pressure? इसके लिए हम एक डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे. देखो, जैसे कि हमें टीवी पे एक ऐड भी आता था, आपको पता है कि नहीं, आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली. तो जार लेते थे और उस जार में टोमेटो डाले जाते थे. उसमें एक टोमेटो अच्छे से बैठ जाता था, दूसरा टोमेटो बैठ जाता था, तीसरा भी बैठ जाता था. पर अगर उसमें हम फोर्सफुली फोर्थ वाला टोमेटो ऐड कर देते, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू बी इन अ जार. For that purpose, what will happen? Half of the tomato will be inside the jar and half of the tomato will be outside the jar. But if we are closing with the lid, then what will happen? That will be broken and that will be inside the jar. That is because of as we are applying the pressure. That same concept if we consider in case of the solubility of the gas in a pressure. See, here in both jar or both containers we have taken liquid. This is the liquid. Here about that liquid layer there is I will denote it by using the dots. This is about the gas layer. Now see here, if we apply some pressure, then what will happen? If I apply some pressure, that much pressure or force, weight we are applying to apply that pressure, then what will happen? Because of that force, gas will enter inside the water, inside the liquid. That is the solubility of gas in a liquid by applying the pressure. Here we have applied that much pressure. Now see here, what will happen if we apply more pressure? If we apply more pressure, then what will happen? These gas molecule in a large quantity, they will enter into that liquid layer. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is that as the pressure increases, solubility of gas in a liquid also increases. That is the simple concept behind this diagram also. Hope so here I have cleared that concept, solubility of gas in a liquid. तो ऐसे करके नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे हेनरीज लॉ रिगार्डिंग दैट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एप्लीकेशंस दैट विल डिस्कस इन अ नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.